A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 18 on PYQ of differentiation topic. So let's start lecture number 18, PYQ of differentiation. First problem is what? Y is equal to tan inverse say x cube minus tan x cube, where pi by 2 less than x cube less than 3 pi by 2. So say this: y is equal to tan inverse sec x cube minus tan x cube tan inverse 1 minus sin x cube upon cos x cube. Tan inverse, this is cos x cube by 2 minus sin x cube by 2 the whole square upon cos cube x by 2, cos square x by 2 Now factors of this will give you what? Cos x cube by 2 minus sin x cube by 2 into cos x cube by 2 plus sin x cube by 2. So minus wala will get cancelled. So we'll get tan inverse cos x cube by 2 minus sin x cube by 2 divided by cos x cube by 2 plus sin x cube by 2. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cube by 2. So it will become 1 minus tan x cube by 2 upon 1 plus tan which is nothing but y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x cube by 2. Tan inverse tan will get cancelled, will get pi by 4 minus. How it will get cancelled? We have to give reason. Since pi by 2 less than x cube less than 3 pi by 2. So pi by 4 less than x cube by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Minus pi by 4. So minus 3 pi by 4 less than minus x cube by 2 less than minus pi by 4. Add pi by 4. So pi by 4 if we add will give you what? Minus pi by 2 less than pi by 4 minus x cube by 2 less than 0. So this is the range of tan inverse. So dy by differentiating with respect to x. Dy by dx is what? Minus 3x square by 2. Again differentiating. d2y by dx square minus 3x. Now we want, we'll multiply both the side by x cube, x square. So x square d2y by dx square is equal to minus 3x cube. From equation number 1, x cube is what? One minute. So x square d2y by dx square is equal to minus 3 into y was pi by 4 minus. So pi by 4 minus and 2 also you multiply. 2 into pi by 4 minus y. 1 minute. Pi by 4 minus x cube by 2. So bring this on this side, transfer into y. So 2 into pi by 4 minus 2y. 2 into pi by 4 minus y. Minus 3 into pi by 2. 2. Bring all the terms on this side. So x square d2y by dx square minus 6y plus 3 pi by 2 is equal to 0. Answer is B. B is the answer. Y is equal to cot inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x. One plus sin x is what? Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. So it will come outside cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x y will give you cot inverse cot x by. Since pi by 2 less than, which is what x by 2, since pi by 2 less than x less than pi, therefore pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2. So this value is what? X lies between, x by 2 lies between 45 and 90 degrees. So it is the quadrant in which cot inverse. So differentiating with respect to x, so dy by dx is what? 1 by 2. So dy by dx when x is 5 pi by 6 will also be half for me. The answer is C. Fx is cos of 2 tan inverse sine cot inverse root 1 minus x upon put x is equal to sine square theta. Root x will be what? Sine theta. Since 0 less than x less than 1, therefore 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. So fx will become what? Cos of 2 tan inverse sine of 1 minus sine square theta is what? Cos square theta upon sine theta, cot theta. Cot inverse cot will give you what? Theta. Now sine theta is what? Root x. 2 tan inverse root x cos of 2 tan inverse root x is what? Tan inverse 2 root x upon 1 minus x. And 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta is what? Tan 2 theta. Tan inverse tan 2 theta. Root x is what? Tan theta. Put root x is tan theta. Now tan inverse tan will get cancelled, so cos 2 theta and cos 2 theta is what? 1 minus tan square theta upon which is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Therefore, fx is what? 1 minus x upon differentiating with respect to x. So f dash x is what? V square. V into derivative of u is minus 1 minus u derivative of v is 1. Minus 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. So f dash x is what? Multiply both the side by 1 minus x square. Minus 2 into 1 minus x square upon 1 minus x square into f dash x is what? Minus 2 into and 1 minus x the whole square 1, it is fx square. So 1 minus x square into f dash x is equal to minus 2 into fx square. Bring this on the side. Plus 2 into fx square is equal to 0. Answer is 1 minus x square f dash x plus 2. C. C is there. The derivative of tan inverse this with respect to this. Let u is what? Tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. And v is equal to tan inverse 2x root 1 minus x square upon 1 minus 2x square. For u, put x tan theta. So u will become tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 upon, so it is tan theta by half tan inverse x. In case of we put x is equal to sin theta, so he will become tan inverse 2 sine theta cos theta upon 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Tan inverse sine 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. Now tan inverse tan 2 theta. Will give you 2 theta, and theta is what? Sine inverse x. Differentiating with respect to x, du by dx is what? 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 plus, and dv by dx is what? 2 upon root 1 minus x square. So du by dv is what? Du by dx upon dv by dx. Du by dx is what? 1 upon 2 1 plus x square 2 upon root so du by dv is what? Root 1 minus x square upon 4 into bracket 1 plus. Now we'll replace x as what? Half. So du by dv, when x is half, will be what? Root of 1 minus upon 4 into 1 plus root 3 by 2 upon 4 plus 1, 5, which is root 3 by 10. Answer C. Let f and g be differential functions on R such that f of g is identity. Since f of g is identity function, f of g applied on x is what? Identity applied on x. So this is f of gx. Identity applied on x is what? X. Differentiating with respect to x. So f dash gx into g dash x is what? Derivative of x is 1. Now, put x as what? A. F dash GA into G dash A is what? 1. GA is what? B. F dash B and G dash A is what? 5. Since GA is what? B and G dash A is what? 5. So F dash B is 1 upon 5. Answer D. Okay, see this. Since a plus root 2b cos x into a minus root 2b cos y is equal to a square minus b square. Differentiate, we want dx by dy. So differentiating with respect to y, a plus root 2b cos x into d by dy of a minus root 2b cos y plus a minus root 2b cos y into d by dy of a plus root 2b cos x. Derivative of a square minus b square constant will become 0. A plus root 2b cos x. Derivative of this is what? Derivative of a 0 minus root 2b. So plus, because derivative of cos y is what? Sin y. So root 2b sin y into derivative of y is what? 1. Plus a minus root 2b cos y. Derivative of a is what? 0 minus root 2b sin x. Derivative of x is what? Dx by dy. Now this will transfer on that side. Therefore, this side we have got minus root 2b sin x into a minus root 2b cos y into dx by dy. And this you transfer on that side, so it will become negative. Minus root 2b sin y into a plus root 2b cos x. Minus minus cancels, so dx by dy is what? Or root 2b sin y. Even root 2b also will get cancelled. We can cancel root 2b sin y upon sin x. Sin x a minus root 2b cos y. Now when x and y, pi by 4, pi by 4. So dx by dy at pi by 4 comma sin 45 and cos 45 both are 1 by root 2 into now a plus root 2b into 1 by root 2. A minus root 2b into 1 by root 2. A plus root 2b into 1 by root 2. A minus root 2b into 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel. 1 by root 2 also cancel. You will get a plus b upon a minus b. So answer is C. A plus b upon a minus. Thank you very much. A man does not belong to the place where he was born, but where he chose to die. आदमी उस स्थान से संबंध नहीं रखता जहां से वो पैदा हुआ है, बल्कि उस स्थान से संबंध रखता है जहां पे वो अपने आप को इस दुनिया से विदा लेना चाहता है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू. कितना टाइम हुआ?